Hey, don't go too fast. You are 26. Whoa! I like it. Do you think that is fun? Oh, look at that view. That is cool, huh?
I need to go faster.
No.
Watch this.
But you need to slow down. Slow down. Yes. Be careful. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna stop the video because I need the right hand.